What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use Bimmer Code. In order to use Bimmer Code, what you need to do first is buy iCar Pro, and you can buy this from Amazon. I'll leave all the descriptions down below, and from the App Store if you got Apple phone, or from the Play Store if you got Android phone, you need to download Bimmer Code. So first, what you need to do, make sure your car is turned off, and you need to connect it to your OBD port. And then you'll see the lights turn on. So you'll have a red light turning on. So what you need to do first is put your phone on airplane mode, but make sure your Bluetooth is turned on, and then from there you can open up the Bimmer Code app. So what you need to do next is turn on your ignition, and now you can press connect. And now from here you can choose what BMW you're in, so if it's a 4 Series, 1 Series. So right now we're in the 4 Series, so you click on the 4 Series and you press OK. Once you get to this page, you can change various different features, but today we're going to be focusing on the auto start stop. So now when we start the car, hopefully the red light will turn on, so this means that the start stop is being deactivated. So what I've also done is when I lock or unlock the car, all of the lights turn on. So if I show you, if I unlock the car, the lights turn on, such as the fog lights, the indicator lights, and the daytime running lights. And also, as you can tell, that it does make a sound as well. So if I unlock the car, it'll make a sound again. This is all done by using the Bimmer Code app. Thanks so much for tuning in. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!